Hi guys, and welcome back to Amy Being Mum. If you're new here, I would love it if you'd subscribe and stick around a bit longer. And if you enjoy this type of video, please give it a big thumbs up so I know to make more. So today's video is a Poundland haul. Everything that I got in Poundland is for an upcoming Poundland hacks video. So if you like that kind of thing, make sure you keep an eye out for that video coming up. But today I'm just going to show you all the things that I got in Poundland. So the first thing that I got was this roll of cellophane. I don't know if you knew Poundland sold cellophane, but they do. They sell rolls. In my particular Poundland, they sell a plain clear roll, and they also sell this one, which has spots on it like this. So I picked up a roll of that. It is 50 centimetres wide by 10 metres long, so you get quite a lot for £1. Next up is this chalkboard, which has already been opened because Elle's been playing with it, but you get this sort of, what size would that be? A4? Maybe not quite A4, maybe it is A4, I'm not sure. Chalkboard, and it comes with a pack of chalks and also this little sponge for rubbing out any mistakes and things and cleaning your chalkboard. As you can see, it's already been used because Elle's been playing with it. So I bought this, as I said, for my upcoming hacks video, so you'll have to watch that to see what I'm going to do with this. The next thing I picked up was this. It is a bag basket, it says. It's one that you just fold up yourself, and it has the sticky bits here to pop on your door or wherever you're putting it, on the wall, whatever. So you fold it up yourself. This is the base, and it folds round. See if I can show you. It's a bit tricky. So this attaches like this, so that it goes round like that, and it has a base, and the idea is that you put bags in. I have a different use for it, which I will show you very soon. Next up, I got this pack of 15 blank cards with envelopes. I've bought these hundreds of times before, but I usually buy the brown one, which is like a natural kind of recycled paper kind of card. But I've gone for the white one this time for a change. And yeah, you get 15 card blanks and envelopes with them, which is really good. Next up is this bottle. It is from the hair and beauty section. It's a 500ml spray bottle. It's got scissors and a comb on it. It came from the hair section, like for doing hairdressing and things, for spraying down your hair. So I picked up one of those for £1. Now this came from the section where you get like all the like wedding and like hen party sort of things, you know what I mean? They have like shot glasses on necklaces, and they have like feather boas and dressing up things, and they also have like things for your table for your wedding decor. And I picked up this. It's a money bank, and it says on it wedding fund, and it has silver hearts on it. It's got a hole here for your money, yeah, and it's also got a stopper, so you don't have to break it to get the money out. You can pull that out. So obviously I'm already married, I'm not getting married, but this is for, as I said, it's for an upcoming hacks video, so I'm going to be using this for something else. So yeah, pick that up for £1, and the back of it is just blank. So from that same section I picked up these. They are chalkboard place names. Chalkboard place name? They're like, there you go. They're like for putting people's names for where to sit at your wedding. It's like instead of a place card, so you put the person's name, and it's got a little stand at the bottom to put it on. In fact, I'll open it up and show you exactly what I mean, because it's hard to see in the box, especially when it's so reflective. So yeah, so you get this little stand here and the base, and it goes in like that, and then you just put your guest name there. And yeah, the idea is it's for weddings. It's really cute actually, and you get 4 in a pack for £1. So I picked up those again, not for my wedding, but for an upcoming hack. So keep a lookout for that. I picked up this card from the card section, funnily enough, and I'm going to open it up because it's really reflective, this cellophane. You can't see it very well. So I'm going to open it up to show you, although the card's probably a bit shiny too. But it's a little ballerina, and it says, follow your dreams. I just thought it was really cute. It's in black and white, and white writing there. I thought that was really cute, and it is blank inside, so you could use it for whatever you wanted, and it comes with an envelope for £1. The next thing I picked up was this potato bag. It is a drawstring bag, and the idea is it's for keeping your potatoes in, and then you fill it up with your potatoes, and it has a zip at the side so you can easily just take out however many potatoes you need for dinner that night. And I normally keep my potatoes in the fridge, and I had a comment on one of my videos, I think it was like an Aldi haul or something, and somebody commented to say you really shouldn't keep your potatoes in the fridge because it's a bit dangerous. So I looked into it, and sure enough, you're not supposed to keep potatoes in the fridge. I'll let you Google the reason why, because it's easier. Google will explain better than I can. But basically it's to do with like the fridge makes your potatoes produce extra sugar or something, and it's not good for you anyway. So you shouldn't really be keeping your potatoes in the fridge. So I've got this potato bag, and it's a really good way of storing your potatoes, especially if you buy ones that aren't washed, because it'll stop everywhere getting dirty. From that same kind of foodie section, I picked up these. They are microwave containers. You get 4 in a pack. They're really deep ones, and they come with lids. And yeah, it's just a really good size. I thought that was a good size to keep like a meat portion. Say we're having like spaghetti bolognese, that would be a good size portion of the meat to put in the freezer to go along with spaghetti for a meal for the 4 of us. So I picked up those, and I'm planning on doing a video when I'm going to be doing some batch cooking, and so that's why I got these. If that's something you're interested in seeing, let me know in the comments and I will go ahead and get that made. So yeah, £1 for 4 of those. I also picked up 2 of these baking tins. They're the round ones for making cakes. I want to say they're 20 centimetres. I can't remember if that's right. I think they're 20 centimetre diameter. I picked up 2 of these. They were £1 each. It wasn't £1 for 2, they were £1 each. And again, that's for an upcoming hack, so look out for that. And they seem quite good quality. They seem to be non-stick as well, so they look quite good. They had loads of different baking dish things like this. They had like big roasting pan size and things. So yeah, that's a really good bargain, I think. And I also picked up these press and seal food bags. They had loads of different food storage, like freezer bags and things. I'm quite particular with what I like as far as food storage bags. I've really tried to reduce the amount of plastic that I'm using. You might have seen my zero waste video. I've really been trying to reduce how much plastic I'm using. But on the odd occasion that I do want to use a sandwich bag, for whatever reason, I am quite particular the kind that I like. And I like the ones that are the press and seal ones. I don't like the ones with the tie handles. But these said they're press and seal, so I picked them up. It said the size, but it doesn't say, like when I buy them from Tesco's normally, it'll say small, medium or large. That's what I go with. So I don't really know what this is. I don't know if this is small, medium or large. So I'm going to open it up. I bought them anyway. There's 15 a pack. I'm going to open it up for you and we can see together what size they are. So, oh, they're not the kind I like. So disappointed. Okay, first up, they're small size. They're not medium. And second of all, they're not the press and seal that I thought. I thought they were the plastic ones that have got like a little, what's the word? Like you press and seal. But these are like the sticky ones. Do you know what I mean? That's not what I thought they were. I'm really disappointed. Oh well. No, never mind. That was a chance I took. So 50 of those for £1. If that's the kind you like, you'll be really happy with those. They're not quite what I wanted, but that's quite cool. I like that. Look, and look, you can do that. Quite like the box. That's quite nifty. Not so keen on the bags. And the very last thing I got is something that I picked up at the till on the way out. I spotted these, and I've seen these on Instagram, shared lots of times, and I've never seen them in my own store. So I picked one up today, and they are these Disney canvas bags. They're like a square bag with a long handle, and they come in loads of different Disney characters. So this one's Ariel, obviously from The Little Mermaid, and they look like a sketch drawing kind of thing. And yeah, I picked up one of those. Ariel is Elle's favourite, so that's why I picked up Ariel. But you can get loads of different Disney characters. They had like Cinderella and Mickey Mouse, and I can't remember the other ones. Lots of Disney characters. So I picked up that for £1. So that is everything that I got today in Poundland. I got 20 items, so that came to £20 But like I say, it's for a good cause because I am going to be using all these items to make a video coming up, and I'm really excited about sharing it with you guys, so keep an eye out for it. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe and also hit that bell icon next to the subscribe bit so that you get notifications of all my new videos in your newsfeed, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.